Hello everyone, welcome back to AccuWeb.Cloud hosting tutorials. In this video we are walking you through how to install Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 22.04 step by step, using our high-performance cloud VPS hosting platform. So whether you are a developer, data analyst, or just a cloud curious, by the end of this video, you will have full working Elasticsearch instance up and running on your own VPS. First, let's learn about what is Elasticsearch. Think of Elasticsearch as your go-to engine when you need to search or analyze massive amount of data fast. Elasticsearch is an open-source and distributed RESTful search and analytics engine built on Apache Lucene, and it is trusted by developers worldwide for its speed and scalability. Whether you are a tracking app performance, picking through logs, or powering a smart search bar, Elasticsearch makes it easy to handle both structured and unstructured data in real time. From startups to global enterprise, it's the backbone behind many search-driven applications today. Getting Elasticsearch up and running on AccuWeb.Cloud is simple, even if you're new to cloud deployments. Follow this step-by-step guide to install Elasticsearch on a Ubuntu 22.04 VPS. Log into your dashboard with the email ID and password shared to you in your registered email. Once you're logged into your dashboard, migrate to the new environment. Here first deselect the application server. This is because we only need Elastic VPS 22.04. Put at least 2.5 GB RAM under reserve resources. This setup ensures your server has enough memory to run Elasticsearch efficiently, especially for medium to large data cells. Click Create. Once your environment is ready, go to Web SSH widget. This directly transforms you to the VPS environment. Add this command. This command is used for updating the package list. Add this command to ensure that the man went directory exists. This command is used to clean up the unused files. This command is used to remove the unused files. Let's refresh our package once again. This command is used to fix the broken dependencies. Elasticsearch works on the Java JDK package. Let's install the JDK package. A GPG key is required to install the Elasticsearch. This command is used to install the Elasticsearch apt repo. Let's confirm that the GPG key is installed properly. You can see we are getting the result, which means that our GPG key is successfully installed. Let's once again update our package. All the prerequisites are installed for the Elasticsearch, and now let's install the Elasticsearch. Once it is installed, let's enable our Elasticsearch. Once it is enabled, now let's start the Elasticsearch. Let's check the status of the Elasticsearch. You can see here that it is active and running. Let's verify it. Yes, you can see here that our Elasticsearch is successfully installed and running. And now you are ready to start indexing your data. You might wonder why I need to choose AccuWeb.Cloud. Now there are many reasons to choose AccuWeb.Cloud. Let me list down some of the reasons. There are 80+ applications like Cloud VPS, Python, Docker, etc. for one-click deployment. High performance plus reliable infrastructure plus 24/7 expert support. If the pricing is so flexible that the resources adjusts according to the traffic, saving you a lot of money. So that you can only pay for what you use. No hidden costs. There are global data centers to reduce latency and for quicker content delivery. From solo developers to the enterprise teams, it is very easy to run not just Elasticsearch, but any other applications too on AccuWeb.Cloud. Okay, so that's a wrap of installing Elasticsearch on Ubuntu 22.04. You can find all the commands below present in the article attached in the description. If this guide helped you, hit the like, share and subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our cloud tutorials. Drop your questions and the setup experiences in the comments below. We will reply to everyone. Thank you for watching.